class 11th. In a previous class, general instruction had been given to you regarding COVID, and in every class or every session, COVID news or COVID information is given to you regarding to protect yourself from COVID-19, and there are various ways that you can protect yourself from COVID-19. First, keep a social distancing. It is important that you should keep a social distancing between one person to another person. Second, wear a proper and good quality of mask. It is very important to wear a good quality mask that it should protect you. And third thing is that wash your hand and sanitize your hand, and even sanitize your nearby place where you are sitting and day to day work is done. Even nearby surrounding, it should be neat and clean. It is very important to understand and work on the COVID-19 instructions that has been given to you. In every class, we are telling you about that we should do certain precaution, wash our hands, sanitize your place, and even maintain a proper distance among in society also. This is all about COVID-19, and in COVID-19, even we should sanitize our place as I am sitting here. Sanitize our place, chair, table, study table, or whatever you are using at your home, sanitize it. This is very, very important, and understand it and give importance to the words that has been told to you. Warming up. Now we are in a chapter number 11, and our next heading is warming up, and it is related to physical education, sports, and games. There are following methods of warming up which are generally used. Every day we are using warming up methods, and these are jogging, simple exercise, striding, stretching exercise, and wind sprints. These are general methods of warming up. What is jogging? Every athlete should perform jogging or slow running for 5 to 10 minutes to increase the body temperature. In a previous heading, we had also came to know about in a specific warming up while doing it increase our body temperature. Stretching exercise. A stretching exercise is one of the most critical part of warming up and of an athlete performance. A more flexible muscles is stronger and healthier. A stronger and healthier muscles respond better exercise and activities and help in preventing athletic injuries. One of the basic is that it will help you in preventing athletic injuries. And what are athletic injuries? Like cramp, This is a sports common journal injury, sometimes dislocation of bone and even fractures. Warming up with warm water. Warming up with warm water is usually done in developed countries. Taking shower is also used for getting prepared for showering. Warming up through massage. This method is an old method of warming up. It is used in India for wrestlers to get warmed up. This method of massage was good for curing injuries of muscles. Now we had came to understood about warming up of methods of warming up, importance of warming up. Most of the eminent educationists and exercise psychologists are of the opinion that warming up is essential for attaining better performance in the field of sports and games. The importance of warming up are described below. Increase the body temperature. I had already told you how you can increase your body temperature. One of the best example is jogging. You had seen while taking round of a ground, suddenly your body temperature increase and the need of oxygen also increase. Decrease the velocity of muscles. What is velocity of muscles? Warming up decreases the velocity of muscles. Research studies indicate that if a previously inactive muscles are stimulated rapidly, the first few contractions often small and irregular and relaxation incomplete. The contraction, here we are talking about a contraction. The contraction means the working of a muscles. Suddenly, if we start putting up a 100 kg weight, you will find a difficulty to lift, but as well as painful in your hands also, and in your biceps and triceps muscles also. Increase in metabolic rate. Suddenly, we had seen, for example, if I say a student that start running two runs of a ground in fast way, the metabolic rate of a student will read or reach or increase in a tremendous way. Warming up increase the metabolic rate which ultimately enhance energy level. In fact, the metabolic rate increase due to rise in core temperature. If there is an increase in temperature for 0.5 degrees centigrade, the metabolic rate increased by 7%. It is very high, very high. If metabolic rate is higher, there will be higher production of energy. Because how it will be a higher production of energy? Because our big muscles are working. That's why there is a high velocity or metabolic rate. Increase the speed of muscles. As we know, if you want to play a football game and you are playing a football game, after 10 or 20 minutes, you will come to know that the increase the speed of muscles, the muscles are working very fast. speed of muscles increase after warming up. Many scholars advocate that tearing of muscles in a common without warming up. That means sports injury mostly occur when you are not warmed up while playing sports and games. Skills. Improve specific warming up is done. Then the sports person or player get warmed up through fundamental exercise. Fundamental exercise is commonly generally warming up exercise related to jogging, arm rotation, leg rotation, and body rotation is general exercise. There are some basic skills or specific games using such types of warming up. This can improve a lot. Warming up brings second wind more rapidly. Second wind means when we are tired, we are running and we are tired. Then we are running. After that, we are extremely tired. That is second wind. Wind. Second wind result from adjustment of the body system to the additional demand placed on them as a increase in demand. This is why after powering warm up second wind come easily and promptly, and sometimes athletes do not feel it. This is about second wind. Psychological basis of warming up. Increase the body temperature. Decrease the velocity of muscles. Increase the speed of nerve impulse. Increase the speed of oxygen and transfer of fuel to the tissue. Here I want to explain you about increase in increase the speed of nerve impulse because it is related to our nervous system. Nerve, we are talking about nerve impulse and it is related to our nervous system. Warming up increase the speed of nerve impulse which improves and sharpen the reaction time of sports person. Improvement in reaction time it always beneficial approximately in most of the games and sports. Increase the spread of oxygen and fuel transfer to the tissue. A proper warming up increase the speed of oxygen and fuel transfer to the tissue. It occurs due to the enhancement of blood flow. We had seen or you had already observed while taking a round of a ground, suddenly your temperature and the body temperature increase. At that time, you had seen the heartbeat beat of a person also increased. At that time, the blood flow is also increasing. Side by side, the blood flow is also increasing. That's why you feel the heartbeat of a heart. Increase in working capacity. Due to the above mentioned psychological adaptation, the capacity to the physical work is increased. All the system of body become efficient to do their related work. Gliding principle of warming up. A systematic way of doing things is usually increase efficiency. In warming up, there are also some vital principles which guide the athletes or sports person in the way of achieve best. Following are guiding principles which help the sports person in innumerable ways, in various or different ways. Gliding principles or warming up. Exercise for all the parts of body. It is very important to have exercise for each and every parts of body. Even we are including our organs also. Even sense organs we are including in this. According to this principle, all the parts of the body should be exercised. It means that we should perform such exercise which exercise all our body parts. Helps in including all body parts. After performing such exercise, we can exert force up to a maximum range because our body is toned up and warm up. That's why we can force our muscles to a maximum range. Warming up should be according to age and sex. It is very important that we are having boy and a girl. It should be according to their age and sex. Warming up should be done at exact time. To achieve better performance, warming up should be performed at accurate time so that one is able to recover from the temporary fatigue caused by warming up. Sometimes a child is totally tired, that is fatigue, when it is in a limited point. That's why it is very important that it start from a exact time. Well conditioned athlete may take more time for warming up. If college level athlete take the same time as the well conditioned athlete, he she will be completely exhausted. Here we are talking about the principle of warming up. Various points we had discussed about the principles of warming up. There are 7 or 8 points related to the principle of warming up, and hope you understand the meaning of principles of warming up. Now the meaning of limbering down, that means cooling down. First we had workout. After playing, it is very important to cool down. There are certain exercise and ways that helps the body to cool down. Cooling down, limbering down is also called warming down. To bring the body in a normal stage after competition or training is called cooling down. Any competition. Suppose we are playing a football match. Before that we had done a warming exercise and we played a match. After playing a match, it is very important for me to have a limbering down. It is very important to have a limbering down or cooling down of our body. For appropriate cooling down, we should perform jogging as well as walking 5 to 10 minutes, or you can increase it also. This will help decreasing the body temperature and removes the waste product from working muscles. After that, static exercise should be performed for 10 to 15 minutes. Static stretches are more appropriate to cool down and they help muscles to relax. It is very important to have stretching exercise. Stretching can be in a various forms as it is shown in a book. Stretches can be in a various forms. While doing stretching exercise, we can cool down our muscles. That means the temperature of muscles can be maintained. This is the real meaning of stretching down. Major stretching exercise of muscles for limbering down. Major stretching of exercise of muscles for limbering down. The major stretching exercise which are significant for appropriate cooling down are mentioned below. Hamstring, chest, quadricep. Hamstring. Laying on your back, raise the straighten on leg directly upon hips. Lie down and raise your leg backward upon your hips. That is the cooling down of hamstring. Importance of limbering down. It is very important to understand the meaning and the importance of limbering down. Body temperature become normal. Why it is very important? Because the body temperature become normal.